everybody. My name is Giovanni Dorin, and we are here in Chillventa 2018. Again on the show, on the stage with our best production of CO2 compressors. Dorin is celebrating today 100 years of activity, and we are probably the oldest company in Europe active in the field of refrigeration. We are keeping going on with our development and research in the CO2 application. Dorin, as you well know, is more than 20 years that is producing, manufacturing and promoting CO2 refrigeration. We started in 1998, and actually we are celebrating 20 years of production in CO2 technology. And just for this case, we are promoting and proposing to our customers and partners new compressors and new solutions for this technology. I'm here with Giacomo Pisano, which is our top engineer in CO2 technology, and he can actually introduce you the best solutions that we have and the best choice that you can do ever.
Thank you, Giovanni. It's very kind. Actually, everybody, a big hello. And yeah, we are here displaying the main news on CO2 reciprocating compressors, which is becoming definitely one of the largest parts of our business. First novelty is the new compact 4-cylinder compressor with motor power up to 12 horsepower. And as a company feeling, we have introduced again a very nice shape with discharge manifold to keep very low temperature levels and very low vibration level. You will see amazing compressor running with very little noise level and very high performance. On the other side of the booth, we have larger equipment. Maybe we can have a little walk around slowly. Over here, we are focusing on industrial applications. Here we have the largest ever subcritical compressor for low temperature, low pressure application with motor power up to 90 horsepower and displacement up to 120 cubic meter per hour. This compressor will deliver approximately 160 kilowatt at minus 40 evaporating temperature. So definitely here we are entering into the industrial field. For transcritical compressors, we have developed a new range of 6-cylinder compressors. This is the largest transcritical compressor in the market, with motor power up to 160 HP, displacement up to 82 cubic meter per hour, and refrigeration capacity at minus 10 evaporating temperature up to 160 kilowatt. Definitely we are heading toward larger application, as it looks like the market is pushing us to develop such kind of compressor. I believe so, but maybe Giovanni can confirm this from a market standpoint.
Actually, yes, the market today is demanding, at least to us, but I think to everybody, all compressors and availability of powers more and more larger. The industrial applications, the industrial market is also approaching very fast towards the CO2 technology, seeking for performance, energy saving and cost saving at the end. So actually, yes, the trend of the CO2 technology in the latest 3 to 5 years is really booming, and is a trend, is a wave that Dorin is ready to take and ready to ride in a successful way. I would say that the first thing that we notice is that the availability of components and the access to the technology is more and more spread, and this is allowing the end users and the technicians to have systems, to have solutions that are more and more interesting economically and financially for the end users. This is actually, we have noticed actually that many supermarket chains has introduced and has decided since the last 2 years to implement very heavily their systems with the CO2 technology. This is actually giving the feeling to us that the availability of this material is giving a financial interest for the approach to this technology. So definitely yes, we have seen an interesting growth in the last 2 years, especially in commercial applications. Now, as we said, we have realized that industrial applications also, industrial sector also are getting more and more interested into this technology.